Miller T94I Industrial Welding Helmet with integrated grind shield, engineered to exceed the demands of professional welders. Lightweight, superior balance design reduces fatigue and neck strain, boosting productivity and comfort. Ergonomic flexible headgear avoids pressure points, providing a secure, customized fit without excessive tightening. Chiseled shell accommodates half-mask respirators. Silver finish reflects ambient heat. Experience ultimate versatility with InfoTrack 2.0 and 4 operating modes, including X mode for 0 interruptions. Monitor arc time and arc count for improving productivity. Intuitive, easy-to-use interface. Quick-release front cover lens makes changes simple and fast, reduces downtime. Aluminum heat shield protects the lens in high-amp welding applications. Integrated oversized grind shield and Shade 5.0 side windows expand peripheral and downward vision, keeping the helmet on, reducing eye injuries and downtime. Exclusive clear light lens technology optimizes clarity for better welds and less rework. Natural lens color reduces eye fatigue. 4 independent arc sensors for dependable lens response. Half-shade settings for precise adjustment. Engineered for comfort, productivity, and visibility. Miller T94I Welding Helmet.
The MAKITA 18-volt LXT rebar cutter. Cut up to 60 grade number 6 rebar with a cutting range of 1/8 inch to 3/4 inches. A spark-free cutting solution without the cord.
Introducing the Honing H312, the first desktop mill built with alloys in mind. Why did we make the H312? We made it for you, the hobbyist, the student, and machinist alike, so that you have an affordable, true 3-axis CNC machining option to suit your needs. With a fully machined aluminum frame, table, and components designed to provide accuracy, strength, and repeatability to any project. Equipped with a custom spindle, the Honing H312 comes with an ER16 collet capable of accepting up to 3/8 shank tooling, so you can take bigger cuts and finish products quicker. Manufacture parts in the materials that you want to work with. Alloys such as aluminum, mild steel, even stainless steel, and soft materials such as plastics and woods. The Honing H312 comes to you turnkey ready with no additional hardware or assembly required. The software is beginner-friendly and compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. All machines are manufactured in our state-of-the-art family-owned facility in Brighton, Colorado. Each unit goes under rigorous quality control to ensure the best quality with each build. We have logged over 6,000 hours developing the Honing H312, and now we need your help in sharing this true machining technology. We need to keep this amazing machine affordable. By utilizing volume discounts and with your help, we can place our first production run and make small form factor CNC machining a reality.
Engineered to notch Schedule 40 pipe with a 90-degree fixed angle, the Jet electric pipe notcher is the perfect solution for convenient, accurate notching. The Jet pipe notcher comes workbench ready and includes low voltage protection for increased motor longevity. For increased operator protection, safety guarding surrounds all of the notching dies. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the Jet Schedule 40 pipe notcher is CSA CUS certified. Backed by Jet's industry-leading 2-year full warranty, it is easy to see why metalworking experts trust Jet.
Euroboor TUBE.55S, designed for pipe drilling and curved surfaces. Powerful motor of 1,600 watts. Annular cutting up to 55 millimeter diameter. Twist drilling up to 23 millimeter diameter. Detachable Morse Taper 3 spindle with internal lubrication. Integrated oil bath gearbox with 2 mechanically adjustable gears. High precision slide and rail construction results in faster and more accurate drilling. Gyrotech safety functionality turns off the motor by recognizing a sudden unwanted movement. Digital load indicator and smart restart technology guarantees optimal drilling. Adjustable RPM and left and right rotation for tapping. Patented shallow field permanent magnet technology requires no electricity and can be used on any pipe starting from 80 millimeter diameter. Clear and easy controls. You won't miss the right button. Extremely easy to handle. Extremely versatile. This is the TUBE 55T magnetic drilling machine.